Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Install the Vision app and the correct GPU drivers, and set up CUDA or your vendor equivalent so processing runs fast. Once done, create a small labeled dataset and sample images to validate the pipeline immediately. This saves time later. Make sure to use a virtual environment and capture exact package versions so you can reproduce results. Finally, launch the app and open a new project to begin ingesting your first samples. Now you configure the model and data pipeline. Define the annotation schema, classes, bounding boxes, or masks, so labels are consistent. Once defined, implement augmentation like resize, horizontal flip, color jitter, and normalization to improve generalization. Next, choose a model backbone and set training hyperparameters such as batch size, learning rate, and epochs. Start with conservative values and scale up. Make sure to run a short validation pass to confirm training and data flow work before committing to a full training run. You execute training while watching loss and MAP. Enable checkpoints so you can resume if interrupted. Once a stable checkpoint is reached, evaluate on the holdout set and inspect precision and recall to decide the best export format, ONCS or a saved checkpoint, for deployment. After deployment, run a quick inference test with live samples to validate behavior. If results are off, roll back to the last known good checkpoint and compare dataset distributions. This single step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.